Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set time duration to your questionnaire created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your questionnaire. Go to your homepage, and after that you should tap on this button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. This is a more form settings button. Then tap on settings, which is the second option, and tap on set time duration in the options for responses section. As you can see, the default option is 30 minutes, but feel free to change it by tapping on it, deleting it, and then you can type in your own time frame that will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.